What's troubling you? Burden and weigh down with your problems. You go to lay down. You got to lay them down so you can fly and be free. Don't worry. All shall be well.
Wow.
Very good.
Sa inyo po yun, ma'am. It's okay.
Sa akin.
Pagka dumating na po siya, mamaya, it is short turn, bibigyan niyo po yung papel kung ano ilalagay niya po sa footprint.
Ito yung isang to.
Okay, yan. Wait. Kasi there's something right here. I like it.
Okay na, let me see.
I can't even open it. Is it like that? Is that this?
Like that lang yan.
Oh, good.
Ito po, sir. Can I help? Ay, bali, ano po, pero ano lang po, sir, yung...